Prepare printhead cleaning solution and straw. Move the carriage away. Use a straw to pump in the cleaning solution. Drop into cap top. And make sure it is completely filled. Return the carriage to its original position. After soaking the printhead for 10 to 15 minutes, clean the printhead. Printhead cleaning completed.